Are you facing challenges while trying to sell your house? Silver Eagle Investments is here to provide a seamless and stress-free solution. Selling a house can bring numerous burdens, from dealing with financial constraints and unforeseen circumstances to navigating through costly repairs, home inspections, and lengthy processes. We understand the complexities involved and offer a tailored approach to address your unique needs. At Silver Eagle Investments, we specialize in creative finance solutions, assisting homeowners facing a variety of challenges. Whether it's foreclosure, having an auction date, limited equity, or the need for a quick and hassle-free process, we're here to help you overcome these hurdles. Our experienced team will guide you every step of the way, providing options and expertise that set us apart. We believe in simplifying the selling process, ensuring transparency, and offering fair and reasonable solutions. When you choose Silver Eagle Investments, you can enjoy a hassle-free experience. Say goodbye to costly repairs and renovations. We buy houses as is, saving you time, money, and unnecessary stress. If you're experiencing any challenges in selling your house or seeking a smooth and professional process, contact Silver Eagle Investments today. Discover the difference our creative finance solutions can make. Silver Eagle Investments, your trusted partner in hassle-free real estate solutions.